Protesters in Makati City marked International Human Rights Day by demonstrating in front of the Chinese embassy, throwing an effigy of a China Coast Guard ship labeled Bully and Violator to express opposition to China's actions in the West Philippine Sea. Patrick De Jesus narrates the report.
The releasing of dogs and the throwing of an effigy of a China Coast Guard ship marked as Bully and Violator until it was smashed multiple times. This is how various groups held their protest right in front of the Chinese embassy in Makati City against China's continued aggressive actions in the West Philippine Sea. This coincided with the celebration of International Human Rights Day, where the groups asserted that the illegal presence of Chinese vessels within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone constitutes a violation of the human rights of Filipino fishermen and troops.
Wala pong 9 dash line sa Pilipinas. Ang sinusunod po natin ang EEZ. Ganito po ang gusto naming mangyari. Ang matapos na ang gulo sa West Philippine Sea at ang West Philippine Sea ay mapunta na sa Pilipinas dahil ganun naman talaga dapat. Sa atin po ang West Philippine Sea, hindi sa China!
They also expressed support to the current steps being taken by the government to assert the country's rights in the WPS.
Ating itindig, manindigan tayo upang ipaglaban ang mga kapwa nating Pilipino at hindi interes ng ibang bayan.
Just this weekend, an MDA flight of the Philippine Coast Guard and the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources spotted around 100 Chinese vessels in the Kalayaan Island Group in the West Philippine Sea. Most of these were Chinese maritime militia vessels, some seen anchored together. A flare was also fired from Zamora or Subi Reef as the BIFAR aircraft passed by. Amid these challenges, the Philippine Navy remains on alert as it does not discount the possibility that tensions may escalate further while China's assets maintain their illegal presence.
We take this challenge wholeheartedly, and I believe that your AFP is up to the challenge. We are receiving little by little, dumating na yung ating mga modernization platforms. Ang problema, yung kabilang side, ang nanggugulo. So tayo naman, we will not back down. Bakit? Tayo nasa tama. Ito ay atin, lugar natin ito. So pinapanindigan lamang natin ang sa atin. The tension is there, but we are not the ones creating the tension.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.